Good morning, students. This is waris Jamal. Welcome back you all in my YouTube channel. Students, I am your computer teacher. I am discussing the chapter and the syllabus of class 10th. Students, in my previous videos you have learned about the HTML and the various tags and attributes. In my today's video, I am going to discuss a new chapter. The chapter name is Cascading Style Sheet. It is commonly known as CSS. Cascading Style Sheet, or commonly known as CSS. Before starting to my chapter CSS, I want to discuss something with you that is about the web pages and the type of web pages. Let me remind you, students, a web page is a simple page that you see in the internet to get the information about the related page. Is the electronic page. Students, you have learned about how to create your own web page by the help of HTML. But students, you must know what are the different types of web pages are available in the web, in the internet, in the websites. What are the different pages? Actually, there are two different types of pages that I am going to discuss in my video. The first type of page is called static page. That is called static page. Static means something that unchangeable, that is constant. Static means the web page in which the changing is not allowed. They are constant. That means whatever the information is written in, they cannot be changed. In a static page, the content of the web page remain stationary. It will not remain changed. The web page are loaded on the client browser exactly in the same way they are stored in the web server. It means that, students, whenever you open a static page, it exactly displayed on your web browser as it was exactly stored in the web server. Just you have created your HTML document by the help of the HTML, and whatever the code you have written is exactly this output will display according to that. It will not change anything. So the page that you have created by the help of the HTML, that is called a static page. One more thing that we have to discuss about here. A user can read the information but cannot make any modification with the data. As you have done in the HTML, whatever the things is written on the HTML, and when you get the output by the help of the web browser, you can see that you cannot be changed and you cannot be modify the content of the web page until you modify the content, until you modify the code. If you are not modifying the code, you are unable to change the information. Okay, so you can say that whatever the page that is created by the help of HTML is called a static page. So I have written here, the static page can be created by the help of HTML. Once again, that is about the static page. Static page is simply a page that is constant or unchangeable. Whatever the information is written on the page cannot be modified by the help of the web browser. It can be modified when you are modifying the code. The next type of page that I am going to discuss is about the dynamic page. Dynamic page is generated when a user requests for the page. It shows the different content based on the user interaction. It display the user different type of information according to user's requirement. Dynamic web page is also called an interactive web page. Dynamic web page is known as interactive web page. Okay, let me understand you what is that. What is the dynamic page? Let me clarify you. Students, whenever you visit a web page or website of any shopping, whenever you visit any website of the shopping, online shopping website, you can modify the content according to the request, according to the query that you want to make. Suppose you want to search about the computer device mouse, and another one want to change search the another for t-shirt, and another user want to change to search something else. So the information that is displayed by the help of the web server on the browser of the users is exactly that they want. That means they can modify, they can be interactive, they can be changed by the user's instruction, by the help of the user's request, and that can be changed. It is not appear in the static page. It cannot be changed. It cannot be modified by the user. But here in the case of the dynamic pages, you can change the information as you want. Information display on the web page according to the user's choice. Yes, I have given example. You want to search first of all you log into any website of any shopping website, and you want to search about the shoes, and again you want to search about the perfumes, and then you want to change this something else. Whenever you type the information, the web page, whole web page content change according to your requirement. You have defined the size, you have defined the brand, you have defined the price. It will change according to your choices and according to your requests. In students, in HTML you cannot do it, but the dynamic web page can be created by the help of using ASP, PHP and DHTML. These are the advanced versions of HTML, that is called the DHTML, that help us to create a dynamic web page where the user can modify the information according to your wish. Various news websites also providing these features of dynamic web page, where the user can edit the newses, and the various news portal also give us the information where the users can change the information according to their requirement, according to their wish. So students, these are all about the type of web pages that I have discussed in my video. We will discuss more about the CSS and the various types of things that we use in the CSS in my next video. So keep learning through my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching my video. Thank you very much.